Has this got wind visor or no?
Don't worry about it. Quick.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video on the Catch and Moments channel. Today's a big day. I wasn't going to record, but now we've got Dad's super, I don't know what we call it, I don't know, good camera. We've got that running, so we're going to attempt to get this motor on this pod. Fingers crossed it holds. We've already got it propped up, ready to go. We're going to tie up some nice rope, some dodgy stuff going on here, and then we're going to back up the boat to the outboard, fit her on. Fingers crossed that pod doesn't rip off, and then we'll just, if it doesn't and it looks all good, we're going to run some silicone and bolts. Other than that, let's get into it. So we'll back up the boat, bring it right back to the motor, we set her on. Big things coming, guys, not long now. We're going to get this out on the water and maybe get one of you guys to come along for $3 grand maybe.
Okay, mate, what's Gubby doing?
Right, so I've tied this off.
So
this is I learned this in the military back in the 1800s. It's good to hold up, you know. It's good to strap up your swag on the camels. So we'll give this a shot. So we got it propped up, and all we got to do is pump away, and it should lift up. Should. You reckon we'll do it?
Nah.
You reckon it's that?
I still think I was standing back. Who's that?
What's that noise? I actually don't know. Lifting. Oh.
Tough.
Alright, that should be good. Just don't get near it though. Move this out the way. I'll probably need that when this one blows off. Right. You guide me, eh? I'll back her in.
Sounds good. Yeah, you're good. Man, this is heaps fun.
I know it was good because I felt it. Alright, oh, it's already popped up.
Yeah, and just lower it and we're good.
And those holes line up.
We want to stand back as well.
Alright. Ready?
Alright.
Oh, hopefully this pod doesn't fall off, but I was gonna show you guys how I mounted that pod, but I just ran past.
Quickly show.
Yeah, let's go. So basically, I'll run you through it because now you see the pole to already painted and don't know what I just said. It runs 13. I think they're like 20mm bolts, like real strong bolts plus marine adhesive on the outside around the holes. Makes it waterproof, gives it a better finish on the outside as well. Then I've just run some white epoxy paint. And it should be okay for the water as long as we wash it. So cheap stuff, but looks good for now. All right, let's drop this on and fingers crossed.
Alright,
Put in the comments down below if you think it's going to break.
Let me film all the bolts.
Yeah.
Alright, we're good.
Alright.
Slowly, yeah, she's on.
Not yet. Gotta move it over. Put it right where it needs to go.
Is that how it's going to sit? Wow. Wow.
Alright, right there, good job. Holding?
Yeah. Oh, it's holding.
Alright, it's holding.
The whole boat's sagged.
Get it?
Dude, look at your wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta pump those up.
You need some, like 2 fingers. Still in the mono. I mean, it hasn't broken yet, so it should be good. We'll lose it on the water.
Alright, right.
So far good.
It actually looks really nice. Sticks out a bit past the thing. But...
Let me give him a
I wonder what happens when you unhook this and try to lift it up. Reckon it's tough weight on there?
We shall find out.
I'm just seeing how much weight there is behind this. Oh yeah.
You been there?
Yeah, look, I can lift it up by myself now. So then once you have the battery and everything else in the front as well, it's going to weigh it a bit heavier. But that's perfect. That's perfect. I can hook up the boat on my own when I do those solo missions. Just means it's really heavy out the back, that's all.
Oh yeah, the wheels fixed itself sort of.
Wow, it's on, I guess.
For how long? I don't know.
Alright, so that hole might reach and then that hole might reach. That's perfect. You might have had this engine on there, to be honest. It hasn't cracked off yet.
Yeah, it's coming to shape, eh? So look at that. Supercharged. So this is his V6 supercharged thing. That's the supercharger, and that's the turbo, and that's the gearbox.
Cameron engine.
Cameron engine, yeah. It's Cameron's designed engine. Are they electrical? Or however you
So
say.
that one's gonna reach.
So what are you doing now, Gubs?
And then that one's gonna reach. Just seeing if the bolts are good. Yeah, the bolts I'm running. Solid. Alright, so now what we gotta do, lift it back up.
Oh.
And run some adhesive behind that around the holes and everything. We don't want water going into that pod, basically. So.
And why not?
Yeah.
Why don't you want water in the pod?
It causes erosion, causes rust. Not only that, it fills this up with water as you're driving, makes it heavy. We don't want that. It does have a drain plug on it, but you know, you don't want water in there. It just makes it heavy. So, and it corrodes it'll corrode the bolts from the inside. You won't even know. Then your motor falls off, and then before you know it, you're going to court. So,
Yeah, straight to prison.
straight to prison with top G.
Good luck.
That'd actually be pretty good going to prison with top G.
Yeah?
Yep.
Ah, he's gay.
He's the only guy to go to prison with.
Yeah, same.
So hot.
Yeah, I'm gay now.
I love this.
It's pretty cool, eh?
Absolutely amazing. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Oh my god.
Hear that sound?
Yeah, stretching, snapping.
I like it. Oh yeah, it does squat down a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, heaps. It's still going up.
What's going on?
Keep going.
Don't even bolt in there or something?
Nah. We're off. Off to the races. With Alex.
Alright. That's what you want to run on, lads. As you can see, that's some old stuff there.
Pure corrosion.
So you want to clean this off,
Oh, what if
which I probably won't do, but I'll just start running silicone all over that. Not only helps hold it, but it will stop the water from getting into spots you don't want it in, and it makes it look prettier. You know the drill. But, alright. Alrighty, I'm back with a few tools. That's the Marine Flex I'm using. You need something good for UV resistant, obviously waterproof, durable, strong, all that good stuff. So, won't be shy on this. I'll run that on the edges, get that up there, line up the holes, and then I will put it on the bolts before I put them in as well. And then we can reach our arm in there and do them up. Alright, ready to scratch that paint. Lucky it's alloy pod. Alright. There you have it, it's caked. So now I'll prop it up onto the pod, run the bolts, epoxy those, tighten the bolts, and we are done for now. that's what we're after. Alright, it's on. We'll try and line up these bolts now. Alright, so that took a while, but lined up all the bolts, bit of silicone everywhere. So we'll get those tight for that marine flex seal cures. Alrighty guys, it's officially on. I'll just put the cowling on. I'll get you guys a another angle from far back. It's starting to look so nice. I love this. I love boats. I love making boats. So good, so fun. When it goes your way anyway, and you know, if everything falls into your budget, it's good. It's fun. Can't wait to show you guys what I got installed on the projects. I've just bent these little tilt trim hoses. They're metal, so you can bend them. Not too much, obviously, you don't want to crank them, but I just moved them out of the way where they're supposed to be. That way they're not rubbing on the alloy pod. So there you have it. 5.7 meter, whoops, 5.7 meter half cab. Suzuki 115 on the back. Pretty sure it's a 1982. Real old. Pod's looking good. Starting to get there, guys. Now mainly electrical. And a few little components in the inside. A few latches. But it's getting ready. Get in there. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Nice.